Good morning. We're having problems again. It's Bambu again. I'm having a lot of problems with these printers. It's the AMS and it's that. So it's time to change printers, I think. I've been looking online for another printer and I'm trying to find something that's good. So after a lot of searching, I think I've come across one. So I needed a printer that doesn't have an AMS like the A1, because it keeps going wrong. I want to save on filament and I want it to print quickly, and I want AI and I want it to have a camera. The best one I've found so far is Anycubic. So have a guess what? One has been delivered and we've got some filament as well. So we're going to see what this can do, but I need to unpack it first. They say once it's out of the box and set up, it only takes 10 minutes to get it up and running. Right, time to unpack this thing. See what we get in the box first.
Now my desk is full of tools. Tiny lava.
Right, first jumps, put these 8 screws in. I can't get that screw in, so I've got to take that off. And this one off down here. That's how it comes from the manufacturer. So make sure you take them off. Now I can get to it. Now that's lifted up. I've got all these wires to install, and by the manual they go at the back underneath. It's not hard to install, is it? 3 different sizes, 3 different wires. Very easy, very easy. This is their filament holder. 1, 2. So we need to put the tubes from there to there, which come supplied. And I've installed that, which was just 1 screw there. And believe it or not, 1 power cable, and it's up and running. It says it does PLA, ABS and PET-G on this as well. Bargain. Any other place, you'd have to pay extra for that at another place. Right, let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. I'm assuming I've got to download an app and update the machine. Yep, we're English, we're global. Right, let me connect this to the Wi-Fi. Oh, Wi-Fi connected now. He wants me to download app. Logged in and it's doing its calibration now. Says it's going to be about 35 minutes. No matter what printer you get, it's all the same. Update done. I've just put some filament in it actually. And when you push it in, it makes a noise. It's just doing its calibrations at the moment. Doing its calibration, it just fired some poop at me. So I'm guessing it needs a deflector putting on there. And a poop chute. It's a very smooth print. It's better than these Bambus, I tell you. So we might as well compare it, haven't we? This is the A1, right, with the dodgy AMS that keeps sticking. And the noise on this is, well, you can hear it, can't you? But this one does such a smooth print. And it's so quiet so far. And there's the other AMS, look at, you know, little bits that comes off. It's just such a clean print. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test. I'm going to do them both together, see what happens. Another company won't mind me advertising another company, which is the Bambu A1, against it and a Anycubic Kobra X. Let's see which one can print the quickest. So on the Anycubic, I printed this, which is a little flexi. And it's got 3 random colours in it. So I printed the exact same one on the Bambu. Now the time difference is over 5 hours on the Bambu, and on the Anycubic was just over 3 hours. Crazy. So it's quicker. And this is the 2 flexes. I did one on the Bambu and then one on the Anycubic. Do you know why I like it already? Do you know how much poop I've saved? It's crazy because the Bambu kicks so much poop out. I thought this one would do as well. But it's got some technology in it, and I'll explain that in a second. So when I printed these models, this is the Anycubic, and that's how much poop come from it. And then this one, so there's a comparison for you. Look at the difference in the colour change. Because when it changes colours, it spits one of these out. As you can see, look, it's a slightly different colour to the other colour, so when it's changing colour. There's your Anycubic Kobra X poop from changing colours, and that is your Bambu A1. poop. A big difference. So in time, right, how many models I've printed, right, on the Bambu? In theory, all this poop that weighs nearly 7 kilos is wasted. This is all from the Bambu A1. Now, if that had been the Kobra X, I'd have only had nearly 1.5 kilos, wouldn't I? So that's a big saving of 5.5 kilos. And the Bambu reels that I've got, I know I've got all Bambu reels because I've only just got this and I haven't replaced with the Anycubic reels yet, because I have been printing with their filament as well, what they've sent me. That's why I only did the few colours. But these reels, these 1 kilo reels, they're nearly £18 a reel. So 5.5, that's like nearly 100 quid's worth, off the top of my head. 100 quid's worth. It's only nearly 300 quid for the machine. So if you're printing a few models, it'd pay for itself anyway, wouldn't it? That's how I'm seeing it. But the reason it saves a lot of filament is because there's some technology behind it. So the technology is inside here, and what it does, it puts all 4 into the head, so it saves on the shorter distance and cutting the filament. And for the people that don't understand it, when the Bambu changes colour, it wastes this much filament, which doesn't look a lot on a camera, does it? It doesn't. Here's my finger. That's how much filament you lose. Now on the Anycubic, because the filament is in the head, it wastes that much filament. So you can see the difference. That's the easiest way to show you. Then going into that much technology behind it. It's only one of a kind that does it. The only printer that does it. And when you need to change your print head, on the Bambu A1 you have to change all sorts. I think you've seen many videos of me stripping it down and putting it together, but in the Anycubic you only need to change one little part. So I've been printing some upgrades. I've printed a tray, a drawer, a cleaner. Now the only thing I don't like on this Anycubic is the camera position. When you're printing, it's like printing the side of the machine. So I found this on their Maker World, which on their website they have all sorts for you to download as well, completely for free. So I've downloaded this to reposition the camera. So I'm going to fit this. This will be on a future video. Printed some more other stuff to stop the wires from moving. Printed a scraper and a build plate holder. All them will be in a future video, because personally I can see myself switching from Bambu to Anycubic. But if you want to go out and spend some more money on the AMS that they do, you can do up to 16 colours on one model. So if you'd like one of these Anycubics, the link will be in the description, hopefully with the discount code if I can get one. And happy printing, and I hope you like this video, and I will catch you on the next one.